Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Varadina Nurulita. I am student of Muhammadiyah Profesor Dr. Hamka University, Faculty Mathematics Education. In this video, I will explain about the simulation online learning. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this video. Keep watching and enjoy this video. First, I will invite all students to join in the Zoom meeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. How are you today?
I'm fine, Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. I'm fine, Miss.
I'm fine, Miss. How about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine too. In the pandemic period, the COVID-19, for you to keep your healthy, your immunity, your mind, and still complete health protocol. And blessing, we can meet our class activities this morning. Before we start the lesson, let's pray by Elisa.
Okay, Miss. Before study, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish.
Thank you, Elisa.
Welcome, Miss.
Now I want to check your attention and so say present and let's prepare yourself for today's lesson. Jihan Rofifa.
Present, Miss.
Vita Ramawati.
Present, Miss.
Elisa Anjarwati.
Present, Miss.
Laras Yahyaningrum.
Present, Miss.
Fitriani.
Present, Miss.
Wulan Yuniarti.
Present, Miss.
Sita Agustiani.
Present, Miss.
Okay, thank you. I want to ask, relate to previous meeting. Do you know what the material we will lesson today?
Trigonometric equation.
Yes, that's right. Thank you, Jihan. What is definition of trigonometric equation?
As far as I know, trigonometric equation is contain a trigonometric function of a unknown angle.
Thank you, Raras, for your answer. It's very good. To better understand what trigonometric equations are, I will explain of the PowerPoint. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will explain about trigonometric equation. The first, I will explain about basic competency and learning objective. The second, I will explain about definition of trigonometric equation. The third, I will explain about types of trigonometric equation. And the last, I will explain about formula, graph, and trigonometric equation. The first, the basic competency, explaining and determining the solution of trigonometric equation, modeling and solving problems related to trigonometric equation, learning objective from the trigonometric equation material learning. Students are expected to describe basic trigonometric equation. First, explaining and determining the solution of trigonometric equation. The second, students are expected to model contextual problem into the form of trigonometric equation. And the third, present contextual problem solving related to trigonometric equation properly and correctly. The next definition of trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equations are equations that contain the ratio between the trigonometric angles in the form x. The solution to this equation is finding all the value of the x angles, so that the equation is true for a certain coordinate. The types of trigonometric equation. Sine equation. The sine of an angle is the ratio of the length of the vertical side opposite the angles of the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle's writing sign in the equation is symbolized by the word is seen. And the next constant equation. The constant of angles is the ratio of the length of the horizontal side opposite the angles to the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle's writing constant in the equation is symbolized by the word is cos. And the tangent equation. The tangent of an angle is the ratio of the length of the vertical side opposite the angles to the length of the horizontal side of the triangles. The writing of the tangent in the equation is symbolized by the word is tan. The next is the formula of trigonometric equation. Sin function trigonometric equation. In radian, sin x equals sin A, x1 equals A plus Q times 2P, x2 equals P minus A plus Q times 2P. In degrees, sin x equals sin A, x1 equals A plus Q times 360 degrees, x2 equals 180 degrees minus A plus Q times 360 degrees. And this the graph of the sin, and this the basic formula of the sin. Sin A equals Y divided R. The next constant function trigonometric equation. In degrees, cos x equals cos A, x1 equals A times A plus Q times 360 degrees, x2 equals 180 degrees minus A plus Q times 360 degrees. In radian, cos x equals cos A, x1 equals A plus Q times 2P, x2 equals P minus A plus Q times 2P. In the graph of the cos like this, and the basic formula of cos equals x divided R. And the last, tangent function trigonometric equation. In degrees, tan x equals tan A, x equals A plus Q times 118 degrees. In radian, tan x equals tan A, x equals A plus Q 2 times P. And the graph of the tan like this, and the basic formula of tan equals Y divided x. Now, I will give you worksheet. Do it in 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we will present the result student worksheet. Good luck.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, you're welcome, Debo.
Okay, time finish. Who wants to answer first? Okay, time is finished. Who wants to answer first?
I'm.
Okay, Lisa, time is yours.
Please wait, Miss. A trigonometry equation is an equation that contains a ratio between trigonometry angles in the form of x. The solution to this equation is to find all the value of the angle x, so that the equation is true for a certain origin.
Thank you, Elisa. What is the next?
Miss.
Okay, Sita, time is yours.
There are three forms of solution to trigonometric equation, respectively for sin, cosine, and tangent. The solution of trigonometric equation is based on the same value of trigonometric ratios for several angles in a certain interval. That's it, Miss.
Thank you, Sita. And the last,
I am Miss.
okay, Tia.
A trigonometric equation is an equation that contains a trigonometric function from an angle whose value is known. In principle, trigonometric equations are the same as linear or quadratic equation. The thing that distinguishes it is the set of solutions to trigonometric equation in the form of angular quantities.
Thank you, everyone, and thank you, Tia. Besides the results that have been present, please tell me the conclude some important point about today's lesson.
Okay, Miss, I'll tell you the conclude about today's lesson. Trigonometric equation is a branch of mathematics that deals with the angles of triangles and trigonometric functions such as sine, cosine, and tangent. There are many applications of trigonometric used in astronomy, engineering, and architecture, so that the function of studying trigonometric equation make it easier for us from the fields of astronomy, engineering, pharmacy, and others. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Ulan, for your answer is very well. I think enough for meeting lesson today. To measure level up understanding about trigonometric equation, I will share student assessment link via group WhatsApp, and you can access to work some equation related for today's lesson. And don't forget study material for the next meeting. Do you have question?
Nothing, Miss.
Yes.
Before we end this meeting, let's pray together. Pray begins. Finish. I hope you enjoy and always take care and have a nice day. Keep spirit. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.